Hey guys, welcome to Alberta Adventure Family. We're Mike and Chantel. We've had a busy couple weeks as we traveled to the mountains and went on a fishing trip to Haida Gwaii. If you haven't checked them out already, I highly suggest you do so, as they were some pretty spectacular views. Today's video, we get our garden prepped and get everything canned for winter, so we have plenty to eat through the cold months.
The sun sets a little earlier this time of year, which means autumn is approaching quickly. Late August we find ourselves busy harvesting our garden, canning, and of course celebrating our daughter's birthday. It can be hard to slow down this time of year and find some time to enjoy the last few days where you can really feel the warmth of the sun on your face.
Alright, so we got these nifty little e-scooters now all over the city of Leduc. It's kind of a, a trial run to see how they work out, but I don't know, as far as I'm concerned, they seem to be doing okay. I see them everywhere. Yeah, try them out if you're in the city of Leduc. I found a place just like we did. Best of times, best believe it. Alright, so full-size wheelbarrow, pretty full, and we still have all of this to pick. I'm so excited! All the pickled carrots, you know what, a couple years ago we had something like 30-some jars, went through that all year. Last year we had a really crap crop and we only had 12 jars, so I didn't share any. And we ran out just after Valentine's Day, I want to say. So this year I'm really excited for lots of pickled carrots and blanch some and stick them in the freezer for winter use as well, along with our corn. We've pretty much eaten all of our peas, so next year I'm gonna probably double or triple the crop on those. Can't wait. Oh no! Look at this guy. He's huge. Like Veronica would say, honkers, right?
Yep, and look at these ones.
Another big one.
Is taken right over. And look at the watermelons. Look at the watermelons.
Start of it. And this is a pretty big bin. And still so many more to pick, so we're gonna be busy. It's canning season! What are we doing today?
Gonna get canning supplies.
Got tons of jars, just need some lids. I think I got pickling spice already. So we're just taking down the old Christmas lights. They've been on our house for what, 7 years now? So yeah, so they've been on our house for 7 years and it is time to get rid of them. Not sure if we'll put any more up this year or not. Just get rid of the ones that are half working, half not working and faded and just look like crap. What did you do it? You're riding it like a cowboy? Perfect. Danica, where are you going?
Look at you ride your first bike. What do you think? You like it? Good job.
Look up now, the cloud in the sky.
All right, so for the brine for the pickled carrots, I do half water, half vinegar to start. So I'm using this as my measuring cup. I did 1 full jar of water and I'll do a full jar of vinegar. And it's up to you what you do. There's pickling salt or there's kosher salt. It doesn't matter, I've used both. Dump some in your brine and then once that gets boiling, that's what you'll use to put in your carrots. I like to put the garlic and the spices and the dill and everything actually in the jars and then just add the brine into the carrots. Any guesses on how many jars of carrots we'll get? I'm gonna say 44.
We'll say 33. How many jars are we gonna get?
I don't know.
Say 22.
22.
Nothing can stop me shining, feeling lucky in a big way. Soaking up every moment, throw a cherry on your Sunday. Hands in the sky wide open, yeah, I just wanna celebrate. Life is better on the bright side.
So I measure 1 carrot with the jar, and then the extra carrots I cut off. I save them all in a bag, and these are the ones that I will blanch and freeze or do some carrot cake or cooking with. I'm full, guys, because when you put the liquid in, it honestly makes it look like you didn't fill your jars. So I try and cram as much as I can in them. And I leave about 1 inch from the top of the jar. You want to leave a little bit of space. You also want to try and remove your air bubbles, so stick a spoon or a knife down in there to remove your air bubbles. That's why they give you a fancy dancy little magnet in a kit, so you don't burn yourself. Still happens, especially if your lid's all stuck together. And then you're gonna drop them into here, return the water to a boil for a full 10 minutes.
Wow, that's a lot of carrots. Slowly getting more of her park done.
Just a couple kids playing in the yard. The future's looking bright. Sun is shining down the boulevard. Yeah, everybody's fine. Just a couple friends in the back of the car. Got the wind in our hair.
Shelling peas. Ooh, pretty.
It was big.
Real.
Oh yeah.
It's been so hard lately, but sooner or later we will all be free. I know that you've been so lonely, but I think we just gotta believe. We'll be alright.
Are you enjoying Grizzly Bear Lodge Park?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My dark days are all in the past. Yes, I just imagine.
High level bridge. So from downtown Edmonton. Danica. Hey! Danica! Danica. What do you think? You used to do that when you were little too. The babies just love those doorstops. What are you doing? A birthday present?
Yeah.
Oh, what'd you get?
Rocky.
Rocky!
You like Rocky?
Yeah.
What it does? You put the recycling in the top or the garbage?
Yeah.
All right, now show us.
And then push these buttons.
But I'll never forget it.
It shoots it out the back. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can do it. Come see Mom.
Wildest menagerie, unfortunate crave.
I don't know what you'd call that. It's like a drag.
Here's to brand new beginning and leaving the past.
Watch your hair. Veronica.
'Cause tomorrow will bring
Veronica, good cake.
morning sun. Friends, I believe that the best is yet to come.
Come on, short chase. Look at what you got.
In every moment, stuck in my head. Hard not to notice a little bit of you in everything. Chalk on the sidewalk, the smell of the rain. There's a little bit of you in everything. View from the